Did you recently move to France? For instance, to Paris, to Bordeaux, to Nice, or to the deep countryside, whatever, thinking that, okay, you don't speak French yet, but you are going to learn as you go, speaking with the French people, with the baker on the street, or with a new friend, or with your partner. Maybe your partner is French. That's the reason why you moved. And you end up to be in France completely disillusioned because you realize that it's not happening the way you thought, because maybe French people answer to you in French, maybe you feel that they are not patient enough, so you kind of give up and switch to English. And yeah, I don't know, you feel a bit lost. You feel like, yes, you were confident that you would learn and you would practice on this day-to-day immersion, because it's a gift when you want to learn a language to live in the country. But the result is that you are in the country and somehow you end up to be blocked and to stay in your bubble. Maybe you stay in your expat bubble because you just can't connect with the French, you can't connect with the language. So why is that? Yes, you can learn the vocabulary, you can take French classes, you can go into your grammatical books, and that's great. But you realize with your experience of living abroad that it's all about the mindset. The mindset is like how your brain is wired. How do you perceive yourself? How do you feel when you have to speak? Do you have the confidence to just go for it, find the word and just express yourself? Do you have the confidence to make mistakes, let go on not being perfect, let go on the idea that you want to express? Like, sometimes you have to just drop the exact meaning and search for the words that you already know in French to just express yourself. So yeah, it is about the mindset. And that's why I created this little video about affirmation that you could say in link with the neurolinguistic programmation. And with those affirmation, if you repeat them like as often as you want, as often as you can gradually rewire your brain, so you don't have limiting belief when you speak to a French person in France. And instead of thinking, he's not patient enough, I should switch to English. Instead of thinking that, you are going to think the opposite thanks to the affirmation. You are going to think, yes, I'm allowed to make mistakes. Yes, I'm in France and I'm welcomed, and this person is happy to speak with me. And suddenly it will change your relationship with the language, the relationship with French, and you are going to make epic progress. So let's go for it. I will put some special frequencies, because you are going like this to absorb more the affirmation. And don't forget that French language is not only a language, it's a vibration, it's a frequency. Because I think maybe you've been drawn to France and to this language, and you haven't been drawn just to a language itself. You have been drawn to a culture and to the specific melody, the specific frequency that maybe your language doesn't have. So that is the opportunity for you to open yourself to this frequency and to open yourself to a brand new identity. We don't speak about giving up on your former identity, but more to just grow and become a new version of yourself, and still don't deny where you're from. So it's okay if you have a strong accent as long as you are understood. Okay, I stop speaking and let's go for our affirmations.
Je me sens chez moi en France. Je me sens chez moi en France. I feel at home in France. Je suis accepté tel que je suis. Je suis accepté tel que je suis. I am accepted just as I am. Mon accent est beau. Il fait partie de moi. Mon accent est beau. Il fait partie de moi. My accent is beautiful. It's part of me. J'ai le droit de prendre mon temps pour réfléchir. J'ai le droit de prendre mon temps pour réfléchir. I have the right to take my time to think. Je mérite de me sentir à ma place en France. Je mérite de me sentir à ma place en France. I deserve to feel at home in France. Je suis en train d'apprendre et c'est parfait comme ça. Je suis en train d'apprendre et c'est parfait comme ça. I am learning and that's exactly how it should be. Je peux comprendre et parler le français avec aisance. Je peux comprendre et parler le français avec aisance. I can understand and speak French with ease. Les Français apprécient mes efforts. Les Français apprécient mes efforts. The French appreciate my efforts. Je suis capable de créer des liens en français. Je suis capable de créer des liens en français. I'm capable of building connections in French. Chaque conversation est une opportunité de grandir. Chaque conversation est une opportunité de grandir. Every conversation is an opportunity to grow. Releasing the fear of mistakes. Take a moment now, close your eyes and imagine yourself in a French cafe. You order a coffee and you make a small mistake in your sentence. The person smiles, maybe they correct you, but the conversation continues. It is natural. Making mistakes doesn't mean you are failing, it means you are learning. No one expects you to be perfect, they just want to connect with you. Now repeat after me in your head or out loud. Je suis en sécurité, même si je fais une erreur. I am safe even if I make a mistake. Je suis fière de mes progrès, même petits. Je suis fière de mes progrès, même petits. I am proud of my progress, even the small steps. Je suis capable de comprendre et de m'exprimer clairement en français. Je suis capable de comprendre et de m'exprimer clairement en français. I'm capable of understanding and expressing myself clearly in French. Belonging in French culture. Let's go deeper. Integration isn't just about the language, it's about feeling that you belong. Imagine yourself soaking into the sound of the language, the softness of bonjour, the openness of ça va, the warmth of bien sûr. You are not separated from this, you are part of it. Repeat after me. Je fais partie de cette communauté. Je fais partie de cette communauté. I am part of this community. J'ai le droit d'occuper ma place en France. J'ai le droit d'occuper ma place en France. I have the right to take up space, to take up my place in France. Je suis connectée à la culture française. Je suis connectée à la culture française. I am connected to French culture. Je suis libre d'être moi-même en France. Je suis libre d'être moi-même en France. I am free to be myself in France. Je mérite de me sentir bien dans ce pays. Je mérite de me sentir bien dans ce pays. I deserve to feel good in this country. Affirmation to feel confident speaking French. Now let's focus on speaking. Visualize yourself having a relaxed conversation in French, not searching for words, just flowing naturally. Je parle français avec confiance. Je parle français avec confiance. I speak French with confidence. Je peux poser des questions sans peur. Je peux poser des questions sans peur. I can ask questions without fear. Mon accent est unique et beau. Mon accent est unique et beau. My accent is unique and beautiful. Je comprends le français de mieux en mieux chaque jour. Je comprends le français de mieux en mieux chaque jour. I understand French better and better every day. Je suis capable de créer des liens grâce à la langue. Je suis capable de créer des liens grâce à la langue. I'm capable of connecting with others through the language. Identity and growth. You are not losing yourself, you are expanding into a richer version of yourself. Je suis en train de devenir une nouvelle version de moi-même. I am becoming a new version of myself. Mon accent est une partie de mon identité et il est beau. Mon accent est une partie de mon identité et il est beau. My accent is part of my identity and it's beautiful. Je suis assez, exactement comme je suis. Je suis assez, exactement comme je suis. I am enough, exactly as I am. And integrating this affirmation into your daily life. You are already enough. You don't need to be perfect to belong. You are not just learning a language, you are building a life. Take a deep breath. Choose one affirmation now and repeat in your head. Je me sens chez moi en France. Je me sens chez moi en France. Je me sens chez moi en France. I feel at home in France. Je me sens chez moi en France. Merci d'avoir écouté cet épisode jusqu'au bout. Et si l'épisode vous a plu, laissez un commentaire, abonnez-vous. Voilà, à très vite.
I hope you enjoyed the affirmations and that you are going to do them as often as you fancy, as often as you want. And I hope they are going to help you to become this new person in France, and you are going to start really enjoying the journey of learning a new language. It's always very exciting. And feel free to browse my website if you want to have a one-to-one course with me. I'm still free from some individual sessions, and also I have a blog where I share a lot of content, so have a look to the website and can't wait to see you. À très très vite sur Feel Good French. À bientôt, c'était Déborah.